Okay, here's instructions of how to make a foldable. So you take a piece of 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, and you're going to fold it in half, hot dog style. Make a nice sharp crease. Open it back up, and then fold each edge into the center crease. Each edge into the center crease. And that should fold in the paper nice in half. So you wind up getting paper like this. All right, so when it's all folded up on itself, you want to fold it in half. Make a good pinch, crease there. Fold it in half again. Make a good crease. And one more time, fold it in half. Try to make a crease. All right, so when you open it back up, now you got all these little folds on it. And what we want to do is open it all the way back up. Fold the whole paper in half. So it's like a book. So back to original hot dog. Now with scissors, carefully, so this is the open end over here. You're going to then cut through along that little fold so you get these two little flaps. So you want to come down for each of these, and you're only cutting halfway up to make these little doors or flaps. Cutting through both pieces of paper. Again, this is the open side. So you have all of these little doors. And when you open it up, you're going to fold these doors in themselves. And then to really get a crease down, fold it in half. This is how you want to slide it into your notebook so the doors don't rip off. So now what you have is a little foldable that on the outside we can write a little reminder or at the beginning of a formula, and then we can open it up and you got two spaces to write inside of there. You wind up having 16 little foldable doors to kind of quiz yourself. They act as little note cards or flashcards for what we're going to be doing, and then you can just fold it in half and stick it in your notebook.